Hello everyone, this is Siddiqur Rahman and welcome to the second lecture of the second week. So let's begin. By the end of this lecture, you guys will be able to describe the binary number system. So let's move into the next slide. This slide represents the outline of this lecture. So you guys may learn many things from this lecture, such as overview of binary number system. You may learn binary number, what is bit, binary number system, example of binary number system, application of binary number system, and so on. So let's move into the next slide. First, we need to know what is binary system, or you can say this slide represents what is binary system. So let's begin. The binary number system, also called the base 2 number system, is a method of representing numbers that counts by using combinations of only two numerals such as 0 and 1. Computers use the binary number system to manipulate and to store all of their data, including numbers, words, videos, graphics, and music. So let's move into the next slide. From this slide, you may learn what is binary number. So let's begin. The word binary comes from bi, means two. We see bi in words such as bicycle means two wheels, or binocular means two eyes. A binary number is made up binary digits. You can have a look at the following figure, and this figure represents binary number as well as this figure represents binary numbers as well as binary digit. So a question may arise in your mind, what is bit? So let's begin. In the computer world, binary digit is often shortened to the word bit. So let's move into the next slide. Well, this slide represents the definition of bit. So let's begin. A bit is a single binary digit like 0 or 1. You can have a look at the following figure to understand or to visualize what is bit. And this figure represents a binary number. An individual number is a bit. Well, next move into the next slide. From this slide, we may learn what is binary number system. A number system that corresponds only to numerical digits such as 1 and 0, or you can say 0 and 1, is known as a binary number system, as it is a two-digit, thus known as a base 2 system. The operation of a computer system solely relies on the binary number system, as it only understands binary values either 0 or 1, or you can say 0 and 1. Well, let's move into the next slide. From this slide, we may learn the example of binary number. So a binary number is made up of only zeros and ones. You can have a look at the following figure, and if you look at this figure, you may notice that this number consists only two number. Well, one is 0 and another one is 1, and in here 2 represents the base. Since it's a binary number, that's why we use 2 as a base. So let's move into the next slide. Applications. This slide represents the applications of binary number system. There are several applications of binary number system, such as in electronic devices like computer, diode, BJT. BJT stands for bipolar junction transistor. MOSFET stands for metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, etc. Only operate on low and high value, that is 0 and 1 of the binary number system. Next one, in punched cards. Well, these are widely used in punched cards that shows 0 for unpunched condition and 1 for punched condition. Next one, in digital computers, a digital system is based on binary values 0 and 1. The digital computers operate on binary values in order to perform logical operations. Fourth one, in magnetic tape. A magnetic tape can be utilized as a device having two states, as in this case, some points are magnetized showing binary 1 and rest are unmagnetized representing binary 0. Thus, in this way, a reel of magnetic tape can be used to store information in binary form. So let's move into the next slide. Now we may learn from this slide the characteristics of binary number system. So let's begin. There are several characteristics of binary number system, such as it is a 2-digit number system. Second one, it is commonly called a 2-base or base 2 number system. Next one, the different positions of binary number systems show the equivalent value in power of 2, such as 2 to the power 0. For the LSB. LSB stands for least significant bit. Next one, the leftmost position. Sorry, I repeat again. The leftmost position of the binary representation shows 2 raised to the power x. Here, x represents the extreme position of the left, such as 2 to the power x. So let's move into the next slide. Well, from this slide, we may learn the advantages of binary number system. So let's begin with the evaluation of the binary number system. The operation of the various tasks has been simplified by making use of binary values. Various logical problems that rely on Boolean algebra can be solved easily. Now let's move into the next slide. Now we would like to learn disadvantages of binary number system. So let's begin. One disadvantage of binary numbers is that the binary number equivalent of a large decimal number can be quite long. This makes them difficult to read and write. Well, let's move into the next slide. From this slide, we may learn the symbol of binary system. All of the numbers in the binary system are representing using 2 characteristics. We already know that. One is 0 and another one is 1. And here is the representation of binary symbols. We already know there is 2 numbers or 2 characteristics. One is 0 and another one is 1. So let's move into the next slide. In the next lecture, you guys will know, or you guys will learn about the octal number system. So let's move into the next slide. So that's all for this lectures. Thank you for your attention. See you guys in the next lecture. Stay safe and stay at home. Thank you.